Hello friends, welcome back to our channel CHAK with Knowledge. This is the only channel where you get all the important updates about banking. Today we will discuss UFBU circular regarding meeting at Chennai on 15th of December 2022. So stay tuned with us to know all the updates. Let's start the video. UFBU meeting held at Chennai on 15th of December 2022. A meeting of UFBU was held on 15th of December 2022 at Chennai. Representatives of all the 9 constituent unions participated in the meeting. Various important issues confronting the bank employees and officers were taken up for discussion. The meeting congratulated Comrade Rupam Roy on his recent assumption as General Secretary of AIBOC, and all the participants in the meeting conveyed their best wishes to him. The meeting adopted a resolution placing on record our deep appreciation for the contributions made by Comrade Soumya Datta to UFBU during his tenure as General Secretary of AIBOC. Privatization of banks, sale of IDBI Bank and Nainital Bank. The meeting noted with the concern that the government is still continuing with their agenda of privatization of banks, and hence our campaign against this ill-advised move should be continued. However, the meeting took note that as per available information, the proposed bank privatization bill may not be listed and passed in the current winter session of the parliament. But the meeting observed that the IDBI Bank has invited expressions of interest from private bidders, thus taking another step towards privatization of the bank. Similarly, the meeting also noted that Bank of Baroda has invited expressions of interest from bidders for buying their present shareholding in Nainital Bank. The meeting adopted a resolution opposing these moves and decided to agitate against these decisions. The meeting also advised our unions in these banks to unleash agitational programs. Delay in resolution of residual issue. The meeting observed that while after the UFBU's call for a strike in June 2022, the IBA agreed to hold discussion to resolve the residual issues like 5-day banking, updation of pension, etc. Only 2 rounds of discussions have taken place in the last 6 months, and there is undue delay over the same, and earnest efforts are not being made by IBM to expedite the resolutions of the issues. Hence, it was decided to write to IBA to expeditiously resolve the pending issues, failing which UFBU would be constrained to revive the agitation. 5-day banking per week. After discussion in the meeting took the decision that in order to implement the 5 banking days per week, we may agree for increase of 30 minutes in the total working hours per day from Monday to Friday, by 15 minutes preponement in the morning and 15-minute postponement in the evening, 15 minutes advancing in the morning and 15 minutes delay in the evening. It was decided to convey the same to the IBS so that the issue can be taken forward. Updation of pension. After this discussion, keeping the desirability to achieve some forward movement in this important issue, it was decided that updation of pension may be first achieved for those covered by 5th, 6th and 7th BP wage revision joint note pre-November 2002 retirees, with a clear roadmap for updation of pension for the remaining pensioners. Negotiation on Charter of Demands for wage revision. Since Charter of Demands has been submitted to the IBA by all 9 constituent unions, the meeting felt that IBA should now commence the negotiation on these demands so that the settlement is concluded without much delay. To commence the process, the meeting decided to impress upon the IBA for obtaining mandate from the banks. Be ready for agitational program. The meeting decided that if the IBA would further delay the discussion on residual issues and does not take a step to obtain mandate from the banks and commence the negotiations on a charter of demands. The UFBU would decide upon agitational program and strike action on these issues along with demand of adequate recruitment in the banks and other important issues. So friends, this is the detail of the UFBU circular. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can ask me in comment section or you can mail me also. And for more important videos like this, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the notification bell. So see you in the next video. Thank you.